Yeah man, bless up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, we're down in 305, Dade County, Miami, you understand? Today I'm gonna be detailing this Mercedes-Benz Maybach S580 2024. So you guys, you better buckle up, put on your seatbelts. I'm gonna hit you with that cinematic visuals, awesome beats. It's gonna be a movie. Let's get it. Yeah man, so like I said, we're there in a location in a Dade County, the 305. We're actually not Miami, so we're there up on the location, my people. So outside, fully active. We're there in a top farm, right? So first things first, obviously, to check out the vehicle, check out what kind of condition it's in. It's not bad, but does need a little bit of TLC. So that's why I'm here, right, my people? So first things first, we're gonna take out any garbage, take out the mats, anything, any loose items that might be in the vehicle, right? So go ahead, pull out all these mats, just rest them one side somewhere safe. We got some rubber mats here with it, and we have the regular fabric. All right, already I'm feeling the quality in the carpets. You know, you can tell, you know, when you're dealing with this top tier cars like this, the carpet is so lovely, way better than, you know, your regular Toyotas, Hondas, obviously. But you know why I love these carpets? Because they're so much easier to vacuum and to clean up. You guys just take us some time. I'm just kind of peeping this vehicle. It's the first time I'm doing this vehicle, so I'm just kind of looking at it while I'm taking all this stuff out, just peeping it. It's such an awesome ride. So you guys, I'm sure my videographer is gonna catch some cool shots of the interior here. So check it out, man. Top tier. Yeah man, check these. Okay, it's reclined way back. Look at this, man. This is like, when you talk about luxury, yeah man. Yeah man, now that we cleared out the interior, I'm gonna just take the time to blow out the door jambs. Don't forget the trunk jams too, right? Gas tank here, my people. Rinse it out. Quick. Yeah man, we're moving on the double today, guys. Car, couple appointments to get to, so trying to knock this as quick as I can. You know, keep up the quality of your work. All right, moving on to actually start exterior. Of course, you don't know, wheels first. So let's get it. Look on this, my people. On all this grime, man. All my detailers out there, car enthusiasts. I know you know what I mean when I'm like, oh Lord, the black paint. Black paint looks great when it's clean, but when it's dirty, man, you can see everything. But people, do yourself and invest in some of these. These are awesome. These are Q-tips. Can just go so get in that little area here. After every wheel, rinse off your brush them, right, before you drop it back in your bucket. You don't want to transfer that dirt from that wheel over onto the next wheel, you know what I mean? Alright, the wheels are all dialed in, so we're just going to give it a light rinse, mist it, and then we're going to foam it up and do some brush work. People, you already know, foam time is the best time. Let's get it. Yes, all my viewers, you already know, so the pre-wash is done, so it's ready for the contact wash. So pretty much, since it's sunny today, I'm going to form it up in sections and do it section by section. You understand? Because South Florida, we're there, you know. 305, we're there, you know. Dade County, it's always sunny out here. So being a mobile detailer, you definitely have to be a professional in washing cars in the sun, especially black paint, right? So it's going to foam up this side and do this side first. This is the shaded side. So I have a little bit more time to spare on this side, but when we hit the sunny side, we gotta speed up over there. Let's get it. Kinda always wanna go top down, right? You know, this layer of foam here is just basically an extra layer of protection. I mean, hear me, just a layer of pretty much lubrication. A little bit of cleaning power, but we already did the pre-wash, so the panels are prepped. So remember guys, you can use the contours of the vehicle to divide the upper panels by the lower panels. So I'm going to stop here. This is the upper, and down here I'll use a separate mitt. Yeah man, people, contact wash is over. So you already know we're on to the drying phase. Got that high quality outer fiber Dreadnought XL, super delicate on the paint, won't scratch it. So you pair that with a nice drying aid. You know I love to use drying aids, especially in the sun. And if you watch my videos before, you already know that I love to use the PNS Absolute Rinseless, diluted 64:1 as a drying aid, right? So check it out. Let's give it a couple spritz. Yeah man, you always hear me preach using this stuff. It leaves a nice layer of lubrication in between the towel and the paint. You can feel how slick it is just dragging the towel off. So no dry dragging around here. You want to avoid that. And this will also take up any water spots or streaks that might be left behind. And like I said, this is the sunny side, so we'll lick the sunny side first, right? I can already see the water spots drying on the sunny side here, but the drying aid and the towel will definitely take care of that. And on the glass, super quick. Yeah man, so when you're driving a vehicle guys, just be gentle, right? Be gentle. It's almost like you're taking time with it and rubbing it down like you'd rub down your woman, you know? Just nice and gentle. Like you rub down your girl. See it, my people. Bring out the piece, them, you know. Joke my make, but time to do the interior. So, got the tornado door. I'm gonna blow out the door jams, dry them out, and then proceed to blow out the inside. Same time, and scrub down. Not even scrub down, like a wipe down and vacuum out, and clean out the windows. Boom, bam, bam, just like that. Should be wrapping up after that. Yeah, mama people, another quick tip I can give you. When you're about to dry out your door jams, you don't want to use a dry microfiber. You know, you kind of want to moisten it. Either with water, or I like to moisten mine with the same rinseless. Yeah man, but this will help pick up any of the dirt in the door jams and remove any water spots, all of that kind of stuff. So, quick tip, clean car Chris said that. Come on. Yo, real quick, while I'm here working, before I forget, big up some two people, you know, who always log on the channel. Big up J Rich Details. Every time I big up Herbert Williams. You guys always link him up in the comments and dropping some awesome comments. Respect. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, mama people, detailers, take the time to do these areas, especially the trunk jams. You know, you might say to yourself, oh boy, can skip that because what's the likelihood of the client going into the trunk right away, right? It will dry out by the time they ever open it. You never know. Suppose they do open it. Suppose they do open it right in front of their face while they're there to throw something in the trunk. What are you gonna say? There's some water drips everywhere. Not a good look. So, point is, don't leave any stone unturned. So, all right? Something like that, right, my people? All right, time for the interior. So, we have some interior towels here, and I use these ones here, more delicate ones, especially in this interior. It has a lot of more delicate type of panels, all the screens and all that stuff. So, I'll be using these delicate ones on those areas just with regular H2O. You see me? The rest of the panels can get a little express interior cleaner, spray it on them, and wipe down. Let's get it. Like a scrub ninja just in case. Yeah, for like these areas, I'm just going to use water. Cause enough time when you use cleaners on them, sometimes it might leave some streaks, especially if you don't dilute the cleaner properly. Another sink water gives it a nice finish too. And then the H2O, your high quality microfiber. Make sure this is primed too and damp. And just like a quick wipe. And just dry it up, right? Just like that. Get all that dust off. H2O. That's a lot. And just gentle with the thing. Like again, like you rub down your girl. You know, just gentle with the thing. People, the finishing touches, you probably just saw me do the windows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some tire shine. But quick tip again, while you're doing these steps, guys, make sure you keep your eye out for any spots you may have missed. Already I'm seeing a couple water spots that dried up on the exterior, so you know I'm gonna have to tend to those after. And then when I'm doing the tire shine on the wheels too, I also inspect the wheels. You know, there's always parts that I may have missed. So point is, guys, check your work thoroughly, right? And then deal with it accordingly. Another tip by Clean Car Chris. Yes, my viewers, take a look. Such an awesome ride. Maybach is all dialed in, so you don't know, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all of that, right? Most of the tools and products I use are linked in my description, so you can check those out if you want. You don't know, guys, every Wednesday, 4 p.m, hot new content. Keep it locked. Respect. I'm out.